To create a hotel booking website using Wix, follow these steps. Sign up and choose a template. Create an account. Go to Wix and sign up or log in. Select a template. Choose a hotel or travel-related template from Wix's library. These templates are designed for easy customization and typically have built-in booking functionalities. Customize your website. Edit the design. Use a drag-and-drop editor to customize the layout, colors, fonts, and images. You can add your hotel's branding, including your logo and photos of rooms and amenities. Add pages. Include essential pages like home, rooms, about us, gallery, and contact. For booking functionality, create a booking or reservations page. Add booking system. Use Wix Booking app. Go to the Wix App Market, search for Wix Bookings, and add it to your site. This app allows visitors to view available rooms, check rates, and book directly. Set room details. Input your room options, prices, availability, and other relevant details into the booking system. Configure payment options. Set up payments. In Wix, go to Settings, Accept Payments, and choose a payment gateway for online payments. Publish. Once satisfied with the design and functionality, click Publish to make your hotel booking website live.